Question is, the mean score of 8 players in a basketball game was 14.5 points. If the highest individual score is removed, then the mean score of the remaining 7 players becomes 12 points. What was the highest score? So that is a given question. This question is taken from the SAT. So let's see how to solve it. So what is the given? The mean score of 8 players in a basketball game was 14.5. They are saying 8 players of the mean value is 14.5 points. If the highest individual score is removed, that means the highest one is removed, the mean score of the remaining 7 players become 12 points. So the remaining 7 players, the mean is become 12 points. So they are asking the highest score. Here you need to recall the mean formula. What is the mean formula? Sum of all scores divided by number of players. For the T8, the mean is 14.5. So that's why you can write that 14.5, that is equal to the sum of all scores. The sum of all scores, that is T8 over the number of players is 8. So 14.5, that is equal to T8 over 8. So when individual score is removed, the mean score remaining 7 players become 12 points. So mean 12 points for the 7 players. So from here we can find the T8 value, isn't it? So T8, that is equal to 14.5 times 8, that is 116. So T8, the value is 116. The T7, the value is 12 times 7, which gives 84. So we need to, the highest individual score is removed. So we need to find that highest score. So when you get the highest score, if you subtract the T8 minus T7, then we are going to get your highest score. So which is 32. That's it.